Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to see secondary bonds, atom arrangement in materials and crystalline structure of metals. Let's start with the secondary bonds. Weak or secondary bonds are also known as van der Waals forces, which can link molecules that possess a non-symmetric distribution of charge. Some molecules such as hydrogen, fluoride and water can be viewed as electrical dipoles in that certain portions of molecules which tend to be more positive or negative than the others. The negative part of one molecule tends to attract the positive part of another to the form a weak bond. In this figure, you can see a hydrogen and fluoride dipole bonds are shown. As you can see here, the positive and negative dipoles are shown. I also arrowed shown that these arrows showing that the negative dipole is going to attract with the positive ions like that. Already they are formed a dipoles as here paired positive ions, negative ions, again here positive ions and negative ions, positive ions and negative ions again. But however, again the negative ions and positive ions which are in dipole form, again they are attracting to each other. And another weak bond can result from momentary polarization caused by random momentum of electrons and resulting momentary electrical unbalance. This random and momentary polarization leading to attractive forces, which is called as dispersion effect. In this figure, you can see with the no dipole, you can see here the all distribution and momentary polarization are uniform. But if electrons having a random and momentary action, then it will appear with this one like that with the dipole. This effect is known as dispersion effect, which is having a force between positive ions and negative ions which are momentarily acting. A third type of weak bond is a hydrogen bridge, where a small hydrogen nucleus is simultaneously attracted to negative electrons of two different atoms, thereby forming a three atom links. Such bonds play a, a significant role in biological system, but all secondary bonds are rarely of engineering significance. Atom arrangement in materials. Arrangement of atoms in a material has a significant effect on its properties. Depending upon the manner of atomic grouping, materials are classified as having molecular structures, crystal structures, and amorphous structures. If you are thinking about a molecular structure, molecular structure have a distinct number of atoms that are held together by primary bonds. but they have only relatively weak bonds with other similar group of atoms. Typical example of molecules include oxygen O2, H2O water, and ethylene C2H4. Each molecule is free to act more or less independently, giving these materials relatively low melting and boiling points. These materials tend to be soft since the molecules can easily move past one another. Upon change of state from solid to liquid or gas, the molecules remain intact as distinct entities. Crystal structure. Crystal structures are assumed by solid materials and most minerals. Here the atoms are arranged in a regular geometrical array which is known as space lattice. This lattice are describable through a unit building block which is essentially repeated throughout space in a periodic manner. Such blocks are known as unit cells. And the last one, amorphous structure. In amorphous structures, such as a glass, the atom have a certain degree of local order, but when viewed as an aggregate, ha these have more disorganized atom arrangements than the crystalline solids. Crystalline structure of metals. Metals are most important class of materials which is used in engineering applications. More than 50 of known elements are classified as metals and about 40 have commercial importance. These materials have metallic bonds, they have high strength, good electrical and thermal conductivity, high specific gravities, and ability to deform permanently to a fair degree without fracturing. When metals solidify by cooling, then they assume a crystalline structure, that is, the atoms arrange themselves in space lattice. Most metals exist in only one form, one lattice form. However, that can be exist in solid state in two or more lattice forms. The particular form depending on conditions of temperature and pressure. These metals are said to be allotropic, and the change from one lattice form to another lattice form, that is called as allotropic change. One of the such example of metal is nothing but iron. In iron, due to heating treatment, wide range of characteristics can obtain. Metals are known to solidify into 14 different crystal structures. However, nearly all important commercial metals solidify into one of the three types of three types of lattices. They are body-centered cube, that is in short called as BCC, face-centered cube, FCC, and hexagonal closed packed, that is HCP. This table shows a lattice structures of crystalline structure. First is shown cubic, simple cubic. In the simple cubic, the corners, if you are counting, it appears with the 8 corners. And one of the you are considering, suppose this one you are considering, then nearly of this, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one is not a nearest one. So if you are counting nearest one, then number of nearest neighbor is nothing but 6, and the packing efficiency of 52%. There is no under typical metals considered under simple cubic. If you are looking for second body centered cubic, if you are considering a body at the center and keep cube as it is, then you can see that from this center body, if you count a nearest one, then all the corners of the cube will be considered. So there will appear number of nearest neighbor are nothing but 8. And packing efficiency is 68%. Under this category or lattice structure, few metals are included, that is Fe, crayon, Mn, Cb, W, Ta, tin, Ti, potassium, K, sodium, Na, such as. And the third one, face-centered cubic. If I consider a one cube and each side of, at the center of each side of cube, you are considering a body on that here, 1, 2, 3. Then it will appear nearest to neighboring numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 for this. This one also 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4, 4 plus 8, and top one is nothing but 1. That if you are considering also, it will appear with the 4 neighboring. 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will appear with the 12. So it is having a more efficiency of 74%. Okay, which includes the metals as Fe, aluminum, copper, Ni, nickel, Ca, Ao, Au, and potassium, Pt, Pb, like that. And the last one, hexagonal close packed. You can see here the lattice structure with the diagram. It is having a 12 number of. It is also having a 12 number of neighbors. So it is also having the same efficiency, packing efficiency, that is 74%, which includes the cadmium, manganese, zinc. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me.